A scenic shot of the Isle of Wight, focusing on the countryside or coastline. An image of a vintage steam locomotive with historical details like old railway signs or maps. A map of the railway route with key stations marked, highlighting the journey from Smallbrook Junction to Wooton. An image of the train travelling through the lush green countryside or rolling hills. A view of Haven Street Station, capturing its Victorian architecture and surroundings. The interior of the station has period details like a ticket office, old clocks, and seating. A display of railway artefacts inside the Haven Street Museum, such as old locomotives, tools, and photos. A close-up of a beautifully restored steam locomotive, showing intricate details and craftsmanship. The interior of a vintage railway carriage focuses on plush seating, wooden panels, and period decor. A dramatic shot of the steam locomotive in motion, with steam billowing and wheels turning. A family enjoying the journey inside the carriage, looking out the window. A view of the countryside from inside the train, showing passengers looking out. A lively scene from a steam gala event with crowds, live music, and vintage vehicles. A themed event with costumed reenactors, such as a Victorian-era day. A group of schoolchildren or tourists learning about the railway from a guide. Volunteers working on a locomotive or helping out at the station highlight their importance. The train passed through the countryside at sunset, casting long shadows and a golden glow. The train approaches a station with people waiting on the platform, close-ups of old railway signs, timetables and other period details, a wide shot of the train passing through rolling hills and farmland. The train travelled through a dense green woodland area, a collage of old photographs depicting the history of the railway. A behind-the-scenes look at restoration work being done on a locomotive or carriage. A view of the cafe at Haven Street Station, with people enjoying refreshments. A map showing the Isle of Wight with the railway's route highlighted. Passengers boarding the steam train at a station capture the excitement. A family looking at exhibits in the museum. A close-up of the train's whistle with steam rising. The train disappeared into the distance, with the railway track stretching ahead. A nostalgic image, perhaps of an old railway clock or a waving signalman, marking the end of the journey.